Welcome back to Raw BM 101, an introduction to bioinstrumentation. In the last lecture, we discussed the history of bioinstrumentation, as well as its applications in current society. In this lecture, we will be going over the basic bioinstrumentation system within the body. In this diagram, we can see how sensors and circuits can be applied to create a lot of signals and data processing systems through the body. As seen here, after calibration, everything runs through the sensor. It then goes into analog processing and analog and digital voltages. The analog and digital voltages can be then used for either signal processing or data storage, and the two work in tandem with each other. After the data storage, it can either go back into signal processing or into data transmission, depending on what the function requires of it. Signal processing can then go into control and feedback to establish a baseline, and then goes into the body to collect measurements. These go back into the sensor, as shown in the diagram, and the process repeats itself. However, once it gets back to the signal processing stage, it can then go into the output display to display the values or collect data depending on what the scientists and researchers need from the system. This process can be repeated as often as necessary until enough data has been collected or there is a visible change that has been notified to the researchers, scientists, doctors, or whoever is using the system. The human body isn't seen as an exclusive from the entirety of the model, but rather another part of it that the system goes through in order to collect data. Bioinstrumentation does this so that human body variables and data can be collected in order to learn more about the patient's health.